our focus on this exclusive news break on Times Now. Times Now has learned that the government is moving towards a major boost to India's underwater warfare capabilities with a 70,000 crore rupee project to build 6 modern conventional submarines under Project 75. India is also expected to move forward in the next few months itself. So highly placed sources are telling us that the interministerial group is expected to clear the project by the end of this month, with the entire negotiation process likely to be completed by September. Now let me go across to Mayank, who's breaking down these details. Mayank, the project will see the Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited partner with Germany's firm under the strategic partnership and model 6 submarines that will be equipped with air-independent propulsion technology. Now, how important is this push for the Indian Navy?
See, under the news, when Hangul class of submarine, which is air-independent propulsion, which has got AIP technology, it becomes really very important, because we need to compare the way the things are moving ahead as far as underwater combat capability of Pakistan Navy is concerned, and in that we can add also the kind of way China has been sending its underwater boats. I mean, submarines are also at times called as boats. So it is going to be really significant in so many ways, because India's underwater combat capability has been facing lots of issues. And apart from the 6 new submarines which have come under the Scorpene class, India has been facing a problem of obsolescence also, because most of the boats which are operating with Indian Navy right now are above almost 3 decades old. So this is the way the things will improve for India once this project, which is also termed as Project 75 India, Project 75 is approved, because it will take some time.
Yes.
Not only that, what is important for viewers to understand is that even if, let's say, today the go-ahead is given, it will take almost 7 years for the first boat to be sailed across into the oceans. That is the kind of timeline.
And that is why, Mayank, we're talking about this critical capability that also allows conventional submarines to remain underwater for much longer without, surfacing. Sources are also saying that the first submarine will have about 45% indigenous content, which will rise to about 60% by the 6th submarine, and the timing of the project is extremely critical. Thank you so much for breaking down those exclusive details for our viewers here on Times Now. But why is this so important? Let's explain. These are India's new underwater hunters, and why do we need them? Because they can stay hidden underwater for longer. Let's tell you about more features. Why does India need them? Because one, this is the AIP technology that boosts stealth capability. So here, and also it's harder for enemies to in fact detect them. So, and we also know that these are torpedo and missile attack. They have torpedo and missile attack capability, and they could replace aging Navy submarines. This is why India needs them, and this is a big boost to India's undersea power. Once again, let's tell you about how we can counter the China-Pak naval threat. That is why, in a huge boost to Atmanirbharta in defense, this project becomes extremely important. With that, it's time for us to slip into a short commercial break. Stay with us, viewers. We'll be back with more news and updates.